empowering minds, exploring ketamine therapy for depression relief. IV ketamine therapy is a groundbreaking treatment that offers rapid relief from depression by targeting the NMDA receptors in the brain. This unique approach promotes neuroplasticity, helping the brain form new connections, reducing inflammation, and encouraging neurogenesis. At Hawaii Ketamine, we believe in personalized care. Our experienced team tailors each treatment plan to your unique needs, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience. We are dedicated to guiding you on your journey to mental well-being. One of the most remarkable benefits of IV ketamine therapy is its fast-acting nature. Unlike traditional antidepressants, which can take weeks or even months to show results, ketamine therapy provides swift alleviation of depressive symptoms, often within hours or days. In Hawaii, we're proud to offer this innovative therapy, making advanced depression treatment accessible to our community. Our clinic is a beacon of hope for those seeking effective alternatives to traditional treatments. If you're ready to explore a new path to mental well-being, connect with us today at Hawaii Ketamine. Let us help you find the relief you deserve.